Hi, welcome to Coachapi. Today we're going to see the demo for Go Get All-in-One donation app using Android Studio. Let's see how to start the Android project. First, I will explain the delivery folders. These are the delivery folders. First, we can view the Android SRC. Android Studio build folder for Android SRC. Click and open it. You can view the www folders. You can view all source codes are there. If you want to view the JS folders, you can click the JS folders. You can inside the JS files. Next, you can view the document. You can view the document details. If you want to view the abstract and PPT in our website, free download it. Next, you can view the full document, Android and PHP. First, you can view the Android document. Click and open it. This is for the full document. Go get all-in-one donations app full document. You can view the document details. This is for the 12-13 chapters. You can view it. If you want to view the UML diagrams, in 8 or 9 UML diagrams are there. If you want to view the output screenshot, you can view the screenshot details. You can view all the details in our document. The 13 chapters are available. You can view it. Next, you can view the web files, source code for the PHP files. This is for the local APK. This is for the SQL file, database storage files. First, open the README files. You can view all the details in the README files. Database name, you can view it. You can view the credential details. You can view it. Let's see how to start the Android project. First, open the XAMPP control panel and open it. Apache is a package server. MySQL is a database storage. Start Apache and start MySQL. Start MySQL admin button. It promote open web browser. Now database is open in left side. Further, it see this project. Next, open the Android Studio and open it. It left side import the Android SRC files. Import the Android SRC files. You can open it. You can click the www files. You can view all source codes are there. This is for the source code. Next, if you want to view the JS folders, you can click JS folder. You can view the JS files. Click and open it. Below minimize button, you can see the AVD manager icon. Click and open it. Click here launch buttons. Now emulator is loaded. This is how to start the Android project. Let's move the app explanations. Open Go Get app. There are 3 modules: user, admin, donor. Let's see how. Let's see. First, you can click the donor login. If you want to register now, you can click register now. You can enter the donor details. If you want to create a new donor, you can enter it. Go to the sign in. You can enter the donor email ID and password. Email ID is donor@gmail.com. Password is test. Click login. Login successfully. Go to the donor homepage. This is for the donor homepage. Donor will manage the modules like near the request, add donations. First, you can click the add donation. First, you can create the add services type. First, you can enter the item name. You can if you want to donation, you can write book, you can t-shirt, clothes wise, you can medicine wise. Next you can donate the food, you can enter all the types. Okay, you can enter the descriptions. I will enter into the book type, you can enter the book descriptions. Next you can enter the quantities, enter the quantity, enter the landmark, enter all the details in. Click submit it, created successfully. What are the creates? You can go to the update donation, click update donations. What are the creates? You can view the details. If you want to capture the latitude and longitude, click update map. The drag and drop the red bubbles. You can capture the latitude and longitude. Click update geo. Updated successfully. If you want to update or delete, options are there. Next you can go to the update photos. Click choose files. You can choose it and submit it. This is for the images, you can view all the details. Now come back to the home page. Now log out the donor modules. Let's move the admin login. Click admin login. Enter admin email ID and password. Click login. Login successfully. This is for the admin homepage. Click approve donation. What are the donations details created? You can once approval, you can view the user details. Okay. This is for the donor donations. If you want to update the status, you can click update status. Choose a pending, approval, reject, anything you can choose it and save it. Submitted successfully. Now status or approval. Once approval, you can view the user side donation details. If you want to reject it, you cannot see the user side in the donation details. Now come back to the home page. Next you can click the user details. Who are all registered the user, you can view the user details. Now come back to the home page. Next you can click the donor details. You can who are all registered the donor type, you can view the donor details. What city, what address, you can anything you can view it. Now log out the admin modules. Let's move the user login. Click user login. Enter user email ID and password. Click login. Login successfully. User will manage the model like search donations. You can my request, you can view it. First you can click the search donation. What are the donations details you created, you can view the details. If you want to quantity wise, you can anything you can view it. food wise, you can, what are the donations, food, clothes, book. Next you can view the medicine also, you can donate it. If you want a request, you can click a request. You can enter the request for what are the details, you can anything you can enter it. What you need, you can the donation you need, what is the, you can anything you can enter it. Click submit it. Updated successfully. The status are now pending. This is for the my request form. You can view the status are pending. Only donor will managing the status. You can view the details. Now come back to the home page. You can click the my profile. This is for the user details. If you want to update options are there. Now come back to the home page. Now go to the search donation. Click search donations. You can click the feedback. You can click the feedback. Enter the feedback details like a name, feedback details. Click submit it. Feedback submitted successfully. Now log out the user modules. Let's come back to the donor login. Click donor login. Enter donor email ID and password. Click login. Login successfully. You can click the needly request. What are the request? User request. You can view the request type. The status are now pending or approved. You can view it and managing the status. The status are now pending. You can update the status. You can click update status. The status are change it, approval or rejected. Anything you can choose it and submit it. Submitted successfully. Now come back to the home page. Go to the view feedback. You can click the view feedback. User, what are the register the feedback? You can view the feedback in the donor side. Now come back to the home page. Click the my profiles. You can view the profile details. If you want to update options are there. Now come back to the home page. Now log out the donor models. Go to the user login. Click user login. Enter user email ID and password. Click login. Login successfully. Click the my request. You can click the my request. You can view the status. The status are now accepted. You can view the details. Now come back to the home page. Now log out the user models. Our demo is completed now. Thank you.